Hi, I'm Nelson, and this is the Sir Nelson IELTS and General English Training. In this video, we are going to look at some kinds of movies. Some kinds means types of movies. Not all of them, but some of them. Number one, movies like those ones are called war movies. Number two, action movies. Movies like that, including a lot of fighting, fast cars, they are called action movies. Number three, that drama is called soap operas. Number four, love stories or romantic movies. Number five, we have horror movies. Seven, science fiction movies. Nine, martial arts movies and documentaries. 10, comedies. 12, animations. 11, cartoons. 13, musicals. 14, westerns. Let's practice. What kinds of movies are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What's your favorite type of movie? To answer this question, remember, you need conversation fillers, degree phrases. English is a language of linking phrases, conversation fillers. Let this guide you as you write your answer. Remember, the kind of movie is important, but if you are to speak good English, it's important to train yourself to use those conversation fillers as you can see them. What is the best movie that you have ever watched? Now, since all of us have watched this movie, Tears of the Sun, we are going to use it to answer this question. What is the best movie that you have ever watched? The actor was in the movie is called LT, but his real name is Bruce Willis. The name of the movie is Tears of the Sun. How do you answer this question? Again, we need conversation fillers, degree phrases, and linking phrases. So to answer that question, you're going to use this format. Well, obviously, that's a difficult question. But if I were to answer your question, I would say that Tears of the Sun, I would say that it is Tears of the Sun. It was, what kind of movie was it? The main character was, who was the main character? I liked the movie because it was interesting. In this movie, now can you summarize the whole movie? We watched the movie together in class. Can you write the summary? The summary, don't add a lot of details. Now let's go to what we call direct questions and indirect questions. The difference is indirect questions are politer, more polite than direct question. What is he eating? May I know what he's eating? Indirect questions don't end with a question mark. Direct questions end with a question mark. Indirect questions begin with phrases like, may I know? What? What is he? May I know what? After what, put the subject. Put the subject. May I know what he is? Don't put it directly, what is he? Another one, what are they eating? May I know what they are eating? Remember to change the subject and the helping verb. What they are. What are they? What they are. That is very, very important. And remember, indirect questions don't end with a question mark. Next, what did he eat? Indirect question. May I know what he ate? Because of did, we change the verb to the past. The past of eat is ate. Direct question, what will they eat? Remember to change the position of the subject and the helping verb. May I know what they will eat? What does he eat? Because of does, we add s. The indirect question, we add s to the verb. May I know what he eats? We remove the does and we add s to the verb. What do they eat? May I know what they eat? They don't add s. He, you add s. Does he eat? May I know if he eats? Do they eat? May I know if they eat? Change into indirect questions.